PSB 14.4 VI. 100% power, 0% cord. With the high-performance battery pack, it's ready for use straight away. Three soft grip inserts ensure a firm hold. The keyless quick chuck. Insert the drill bit, lock the chuck, and you're ready. The forward-reverse indicator, so you always know where you're going. You'll enjoy using the PSB 14.4 VI even before you start working, because you don't need to look for a PowerPoint. With the high-performance battery pack, it's ready for use straight away. The extension cord stays on the shelf. The PSB 14.4 VI drills powerfully through tiles, and when you switch to full impact drilling power, even handles tough concrete. That was only possible before with corded tools. The PSB 14.4 VI from Bosch. You'll be amazed. The PSB 14.4 VI fears no competition, neither corded nor cordless. In fact, it asks to be compared. No matter what job you're doing, the 14.4 volt rechargeable battery gives you all the independence you need. Another great feature is the keyless quick chuck. Insert the drill bit, lock the chuck, and you're ready. While others are still busy plugging in their tools, with the PSB 14.4 VI, you can start working straight away. And you also have full impact drilling power when you need it. Three soft grip inserts ensure a firm hold. Working with corded tools can sometimes be a tedious task. So why not make the change? Because the new PSB 14.4 VI from Bosch gets the job done faster. Power you can rely on.